You see, you just see the bed sheets.
Madam, come.
Bro, I'm sorry.
You see, we are doing what the law tells us to do.
Sorry.
You come and sit here, I will forgive you. Sit here with her. You tell your wife to come and you sit.
You come. Because one has to tell us, is this the bed where you played sex from? Yes or no?
Is this the bed where you played sex from?
Yes. I am sorry.
Is this the bed where you played sex from?
Yes.
Twice.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay. Your regret, I don't want.
Do you see right to avoid this temptation?
You see,
come
you
here.
just see the bed sheets.
Madam, come.
Bro, I'm sorry.
You see, we are doing what the law tells us to
I'm
do.
sorry.
You come and sit here, I will forgive you. Sit here with her. You tell your wife to come and you sit.
You come. Because one has to tell us, is this the bed where you played sex from? Yes or no?
Is this the bed where you played sex from?
Yes. I am sorry.
Is this the
Is
bed
that
where
the
you
bed?
played sex from?
Yes.
Twice.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Please forgive us. You can punish me, but just know even if you punish me, I'll regret what I did. You don't deserve that.
Your regret, I don't want.
Do we have this session?